Dad, do you remember this? Look.
Oh yeah, that's the one I got you.
I started the car game about
You can clean it.
5 years ago.
It's
My dad
dirty.
gave this to me, and I kept it ever since. So they get a new quick release for it.
What's wrong with it?
Because the quick release I have now is not specified for that one.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well, what happened to the one that came with it? You lost it?
I sold it.
Oh, you sold it?
Yeah. You know, out with the old and with the new. This isn't gonna like.
You're getting done now?
Yeah, just wash your hands. There's a staple. Am I missing?
Is that gonna close? Probably not.
It will. Let's try. Hey.
What is that? An antenna?
Where?
That.
Oh no, that's a lock.
Oh yeah, that's right, huh?
I don't ever lock it though. Garage, you guys, is beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Check it out. Go check it out.
Give me the tour. This car is for sale, supposedly. Damn.
Super clean, babe.
V18. Yeah. I love this. I love this so much. Like, I don't know what it is.
Jarvis is cool. How long you get it? Oh, and you would probably say good about seat.
Yes, she would.
It looks like you would hug. Let me sit in it.
I'm like a size race 34, 36. That's like a 30. Yeah, I was 34. Oh, there
yeah,
you go.
It's hugging. I had to deal with Buddha that if he does my suspension, he could take mine.
We fit. Yeah.
Is it in?
Yeah. Look at this. Come check it out. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah.
You don't have to come, only if you want to come.
You have to like work soon, don't you? Reverse. Yeah.
They got a new EP. I'm gonna get suspension done on this. Buddha got me.
I got you.
Oh, look at that suspension.
You better lower yours too then?
Yeah.
Sheesh, Midori, mommy.
Midori.
Heck yes. Where'd you pick this up?
I got them in Puyallup.
Shit.
Yeah.
Did you
It
do
was deep, bro.
Deep.
Yeah.
Puyallup.
For you guys, Everett to Puyallup, that's a good hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
Yeah.
And another 2 hour back because traffic.
Sheesh. Full interior.
Full interior. It's auto. Got those wheels are for sale.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Promote. What you gonna do with this?
Pretty much similar build to my other car.
Gut it
Tracked
out. Track it. Good evening, you guys. It is the day of Pit and Paddock, grid icons. Waiting on a few friends so we can go cruise together to Tacoma. Probably about like 30-40 minutes away, and my rolling time is 30 minutes, so I'm sure we'll get there on time. I got it.
Come here,